It's a 2017 Mazda CX-5. It's your ticket to a place of inspired design, superb performance, and one exhilarating drive. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: SKYACTIVA G engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. New Car Test Drive notes, "We think best in class" also applies to the new electric power rack and pinion steering system. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.